Hey guys, back with me again in the channel. I'm gonna show you how in this video how to open the Excel file from your phone storage in Google Sheets. So here, this is my Google Sheets app, and as you know that Google Sheets is a part of or integrated with Google Drive. So this is the files on my drive or the online files. And if you want to open the for example Excel file from your phone storage, you can do just that. So you can either click on these files in here, or you can also click on the folder at the top, folder icon, and click on device storage or phone storage, that means. Okay, click on that, and here is the file from my phone, and you can just click on the file, and now the file will be open at the Google Sheets. Okay, so that's pretty easy, and I hope this video is helpful to you. That's all from me. Thank you guys for watching. Please consider on like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.